Hey everybody, it's Matt here with WTI, and I got to change out the old strap on the boat trailer. So I got this one from Better Boat, and this thing is really easy to install. It's made out of great material. Let me show you how to put it in. So all you got to do is just remove the old strap, take your bolt, slide it through, bolt that guy down, and winch her up, and you're good to go. There you go. That's all there is to it. It's ridiculously easy to put on. It's made out of really good material. This one's rated at 10,000 pounds, and I like both the galvanized hook on this thing and the easy spring clip to just hook onto the front of your boat and go. So I highly recommend this product. I think it's easy to install, and you're gonna like it, but that's just my point of view.